What's up, guys? We got the Banks 18 gauge brad nailer. I bought the cheapest brad nailer I could find. I didn't even know they made these this cheap. This was $29. Hell, the nails to shoot out this thing cost more than the damn gun. The nails were 30 bucks. I bought two sizes of nails. They were about $15 a box. It's more than I paid for the damn gun. The gun's $29. Okay, so we're about to unbox this bad member jammer right now. The Banks 18 gauge brad nailer. Harbor Freight's cheapest brad nailer. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so this is what it looks like out of the box. I didn't expect to get a box or any kind of case with it for $29. This is pretty much bare essential what I expected. Now, a lot of people, guys especially, act like they don't read the manuals for their tools, but I think that's just silly. Especially something that's shooting metal. So let me read the damn instructions real fast. Just a quick go through. Okay, quick, relax, release. Okay, that's what gets to the top of the head. I like how they did that there. Quick spring release, workpiece, contact, magazine cover, handle, magazine latch, handle. Oil daily or warranty is void. Good thing I just stopped and picked up some of the Home Depot Husky Air Tool oil. So we're going to oil this bad member jammer up and check her out. I usually put about 3 or 4 drips in the brand new. Oh, this thing has to be open. It might help if I actually crack the seal. Slicker than a ditty party, boys. Alright. We're going to go ahead and stick in a couple drops of oil in this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So this is our magazine release right here. What is this load thing? Reload window. Okay, so it tells you when you're running low. And that's it. Yeah, it's pretty general. Alright. So this is what we're working with, boys. It is the cheapest brad nailer you could find. I didn't know they came this cheap. It feels durable as hell, though. Like, I'm not going to lie. It doesn't feel bad. It's nice and heavy. I like that. I like the heaviness of it. I don't like the cheap, flimsy feeling nothing. Yeah, baby, that feels great. That feels real good. I'm with that all day. So let's hook this boy up and see what it does. Alright, let's get these mugs set up, brad nailed up. It shoots great. It feels awesome. I like this thing a lot. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, this is so much easier. Oh my God, this is heaven. Yes. $29 from Harbor Freight. Best thing I ever bought. Makes everything so much easier, dude. $29, gentlemen. Go grab one of these. The Banks hookup. Brad nailer. 29 bucks. Can't even believe it. Harbor Freight's cheapest brad nailer. I had no idea the brad nailers were $29, dude. So I got a brad nailer from Harbor Freight. And it's sturdy. It feels great. It's heavy. So if you're thinking about getting Harbor Freight's 18 gauge Banks brad nailer for $29 out the door, I highly suggest it. I'm not sponsored. This is an unbiased opinion. It shoots great. It's durable. It's doing me a lot of justice. I cannot believe it was $29. Hell of a deal. That's my opinion on it. Peace.